Listen to that sound. That's the sound of being stranded. But what if I told you that sound is about to become ancient history? I'm holding something that doesn't exist yet. Not until 2026. It doesn't just jump your car. It learns your battery's health. It charges from motion. It could power your house for 3 days. And when I showed it to a major manufacturer, they offered me 6 figures to destroy this footage. Instead, I'm showing you. Because every driver needs to see what's coming. Number 1. NOCO Boost Max. The GB250 Boost Max is one of the most powerful lithium jump starters ever designed, delivering an incredible 5,250 amps of peak starting power to jumpstart gasoline and diesel engines up to 16 liters. Engineered specifically for commercial and industrial use, it starts the largest Class 8 trucks, buses, motorhomes, agricultural equipment, construction machinery, mining vehicles, and vocational fleets, covering 6, 8, 12, and even 16-cylinder engines with ease. At the core of its safety system is NOCO's patented ultrasafe technology, featuring spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection to ensure safe, mistake-free operation on any 12-volt battery, trusted by professionals around the world. Despite its immense power, the GB250 weighs just 15 pounds, replacing bulky, outdated alternatives with a compact, portable design that fits in its custom EVA protective case. It also functions as a portable power bank with integrated USB output to charge smartphones, tablets, and other essential devices, and recharges fully in just 4 hours using the included 56W power adapter. Number 2. NOCO Boost X GBX155. The GBX155 Boost X is a new class of portable lithium jump starters, engineered for extreme performance and rated at 4,250 amps to start gas engines up to 10.0 liters and diesel engines up to 8.0 liters. Featuring our upgraded UltraSafe 2.0 technology, it offers spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, now with enhanced thermal efficiency and power management for even greater safety and battery life. Designed with a high-voltage output system, the GBX155 includes an integrated 60-second timer to conserve energy, delivering up to 18 jump starts per charge with maximum power on every start. Even if completely depleted, it can gain enough power for a jump start in just 5 minutes or fully recharge in only 2.7 hours via USB-C power delivery. A 60-watt USB-C port provides both input and output, turning Boost X into a high-performance power bank for fast-charging phones, tablets, laptops, and other USB-C devices. A precision-engineered 500-lumen LED flashlight features 7 modes, including SOS and strobe, to light up dark workspaces or help in roadside emergencies. Number 3. NOCO Boost GB70. The NOCO Boost GB70 is a compact yet powerful 2000-amp lithium jump starter designed to safely jump-start a dead car battery in seconds, perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, SUVs, vans, and more. This portable car battery jump starter delivers up to 40 jump starts on a single charge and is rated for gasoline engines up to 8.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.0 liters. Engineered with UltraSafe technology, it features spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, making it a safe and mistake-proof car battery booster for any 12-volt vehicle. It doubles as a portable USB-C power bank for charging smartphones, tablets, and other devices when it matters most, and includes an integrated 400-lumen LED flashlight with 7 light modes, including SOS and emergency strobe, ideal for night use, roadside visibility, or emergencies. Number 4. NOCO Boost GB150. The NOCO Boost GB150 is a compact yet powerful 3000-amp lithium jump starter designed to safely jump-start a dead car battery in seconds, perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, SUVs, vans, and more. This portable car battery jump starter delivers up to 80 jump starts on a single charge and is rated for gasoline engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel engines up to 7.0 liters. Engineered with UltraSafe technology, it features spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, making it a safe and mistake-proof car battery booster for any 12-volt vehicle. It doubles as a portable USB-C power bank for charging smartphones, tablets, and other devices when it matters most, and includes an integrated 500 lumen LED flashlight with 7 light modes, including SOS and emergency strobe, ideal for night use, roadside visibility, or emergencies. Number 5. NOCO Boost+Air AX65. Introducing the AX65, the all-new ultimate all-in-one portable jump starter, tire inflator, and flashlight engineered as your essential car accessory and emergency roadside companion. With 2000 amps of power, the AX65 effortlessly jump-starts everything, such as cars, motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, trucks, SUVs, boats, PWCs, snowmobiles, RVs, campers, trailers, lawnmowers, tractors, and classic cars, handling engines up to 8.0-liter gasoline and a 6.0-liter diesel with ease. Its ultra-fast cordless inflation system, powered by a 280-watt high-efficiency motor and advanced battery-powered lithium-ion technology, takes tires from 0 to 40 psi in just 2.0 minutes or quickly tops off low tires in under 20 seconds. The powerful lithium-ion battery provides multiple jump starts, fully inflates up to 2.5 tires, tops off nearly 20 on a single charge, and rechargeable in just 48 minutes, keeping your devices fully charged with extended hours of bright, dependable light. Designed with ultra-safe technology, the AX65 ensures a worry-free experience with spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, supporting continuous inflator operation for up to 7 minutes without overheating. Every revolutionary jump starter you saw today, including the self-charging unit and the AI-powered diagnostic model, all pre-order links, exclusive early bird discounts, and special bundle deals are waiting right now in the video description below. If this video saved you from future roadside panic, do these 3 things. Hammer that like button, it fuels our mission to bring you tomorrow's tech today. Share this with every driver you know, spread the knowledge. And subscribe with notifications on, because next Thursday, I'm revealing a 2026 tire technology that eliminates flats forever, and you'll want that in your life too. Stay charged, friends.